Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1085, and today's topic is the use of borax in agriculture as a fertilizer. In the last lecture, I have already discussed a lot of derivatives of the borax, especially the boric acid. And this borax is actually sodium borate, and sodium borate is actually formula is Na2B4O7 with 10 molecules of crystallization of water, 10H2O. So it is called borax or sodium borate, or we also call it borax and decahydrate. So this is borax, and it is also called borax decahydrate, and it is very important compound of boron, which is widely used in lot of industrial processes, like in cosmetic industries, skin care product industries, in insecticide, pesticide industries, in detergent industries. So it has lot of industrial application, but at the same time, it has a lot of use in agriculture as a fertilizer. And this borax is used in agriculture as a fertilizer mainly to get the boron. So boron is the most important micronutrient, is one of the element, and you know that for plants there are 16 elements. They are micronutrients and nutrients also, out of which like this: potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, copper, zinc, boron, like that. So boron is one of the micronutrient which is essential, very important for plant growth and root growth. Also, it helps a lot in photosynthesis and cell division, and also boron plays very important role in the synthesis of carbohydrate and protein in plant. That's why if there is deficiency of boron in the soil, there will be a lot of problem, especially in vegetable farming. And some plants, if boron deficiency is there, they cannot grow. They need a lot of boron. For example, potato, sugarcane, beans, soya bean, sunflower. For this farming, if there is deficiency of boron in the soil, the whole crop and seed and fruit all will be damaged, and mainly there will be ergot fungal growth, that is called ergot This ergot fungal growth is very common in vegetable plantation on the leaf, and if there is deficiency of boron in the soil, you will notice in the leaf there will be a yellowish color, and also it is similar to the deficiency of zinc. Zinc and boron both are having similar type of symptoms on the plant if there is deficiency. But in the case of boron deficiency, the leaf will be yellow and their veins around that area will be very much dark yellow color. So people can understand, the farmers or those who are involved in vegetable farming, they can understand that there is deficiency of boron. And boron in the soil, if it is only 25 ppm, 25 ppm means it is part per million. part per if this much is there, this much boron is there in the soil testing, that it is having 25 ppm concentration, it means your soil is very much deficient in boron content, and really the concentration of the boron in normal soil should be around 75 ppm. If this much concentration of boron is there, it means it is normal. And for borax to use to get the boron, first is that we have either we may get 1 teaspoon, that is maybe 5 gram plus, in 1 liter of water. We can dissolve it and then we can spray. By spraying that one, it is in concentrated form. If 1 teaspoon is there in 1 gallon of water or 5 liter, or 1 teaspoon powder, you can spray in 100 square meter land. It will take care of deficiency of boron. But in case if the attack of fungal growth or bacterial growth, all the different type of fungus, then you can use diluted form. Diluted form means 1 teaspoon in 15 liter of water. But in case the fungal growth is too much and really there is deficiency of too much boron, then in that case you have to use concentrated one, that is 1 teaspoon in 5 liter water. Also, it is also effective if you take half teacup of borax in 5 liter water and make the solution. So you can wash all the utensils, all your equipment of agriculture, your hand gloves, so many things. If you wash it and put under sun to dry, then all the chances of fungal or bacterial growth will be over. And this boron, if it is deficient, first I have told you that it plays important role in photosynthesis, in cell division, and also if there is deficiency, the xylem and phloem inside the plant stem will be disturbed, will be deformed, damaged, and the absorption of water to the plant leaf and other part like flowering and where the fruiting is there will not be available. So that's why the deficiency of boron has to be checked, and most of the acidic soils where there is some desertification or sandy soil, there is maximum chance of deficiency of boron because of erosion, volcanic eruption area. These places, there is especially the acidic soil, they have deficiency of boron, dry soil. So it is better for all the farmers who are cultivating these crops, vegetable crops, better to get checked the boron content of their soil, so that their vegetable crops and others, they are not affected. And if this boron deficiency is there, the plant leaves and all others, they will be very easily affected by fungal growth and bacterial growth. And this ergot fungus, once it is attacking, it is you can say parasite type of fungus, and it is producing alkaloidal content on the leaves, and that's why there will be burning effect and it becomes yellow and it will be damaged. So ergot fungal growth will be thoroughly taken care by borax and boron. If the percentage is okay by the application, I have already told you the dilution and how to apply, then the crop will be normal. And also the borax helps. Means if I say borax means out of borax soil is getting boron to help to make the root to take more potassium, that is K, and phosphorus P. And these potassium and phosphorus, they are also very important nutrient for plant. Number one, borax is one of the most common boron containing compound, and that can be used as a fertilizer. It helps the plant to grow and produce fruits and vegetables by helping in photosynthesis, and those can be potato, sunflower, bean, like that, and soya bean, sugarcane. So they need lot of boron for their growth. Number two, boron helps in the synthesis of carbohydrate, protein, and cell division in plants. And once the cell division is fast, it means there will be growth. And if the photosynthesis means in the presence of sunlight, the leaves, they are preparing the food, that is in presence of carbon dioxide gas. So that photosynthesis, if it is in presence of chlorophyll is damaged in absence of boron because of the fungal growth, fungal attack, that is especially ergot fungus, that is parasitic fungus, it produces alkaloid. So that is the main problem. With that, your whole vegetable plantation will be disturbed. Carbohydrate, protein, and cell division in plants. Boron is also available in soil composition. The importance of boron in plant cannot be neglected. And I have already told you that in sandy soil, acidic soil, the boron deficiency is always there. Number three, boron is vital to prevent infections like ergot, fungal growth. It is essential micronutrient that plays important role in plant growth. It has positive effect on the health of the plant leaves by inhibiting the fungal and bacterial growth. Number four, there are many ways of borax many ways to use the borax as a fertilizer. By taking 1 tablespoon per 100 square feet of the soil, you can apply, or you mix, or you can dissolve 1 tablespoon of borax in 5 liter water, that is in dilute form, and spray around the vegetable plantation or on the leaf also. But if in case the attack of the fungal growth is more, you can apply the concentrated one, means where you can add 1 tablespoon into 5 liter, and if it is diluted, then 1 tablespoon in 15 liter of water. That is used for that purpose. And if you want to use borax as a disinfectant for your all equipments and agriculture equipments, then you dissolve half cup of borax in 5 liter water and rinse and clean all your clean your farm tools, gardening, gloves and equipments. Adequate boron improves the root uptake of potassium and phosphorus. So I have already told you in the beginning, the pH of the soil means if the pH is less means it is towards acidic condition, maybe around between 5 and 6 pH means it is acidic. Definitely there is chance that the boron content or percentage in the soil will be around 25 or less than 25 ppm, and in that case it is not good for vegetable. So you should go for testing of your soil to check the amount of boron in your soil, especially in sandy soil where lot of soil erosion is there. There again the chance of boron is less. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.